Sani Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yep, those are nuptials of the King Mrs. Zulu asaqhubeka njengamanje. So King Mrs. Zulu over the weekend, who is the Zulu of the nation, has finally wedded uNomzamo Myeni of Jozini as his fourth queen, almost a year after umshado wabo wawuzama ukuthi wenzeke but ungenzeki. The king has married Myeni at the KwaKhangela Royal Place in Nongoma on Sunday before thousands of well-wishers including Julius Malema, Gauteng Premier Lesufi kanye noKwaZulu Natal MEC as well as Reverend Thula Sizwe Buthelezi and Thembeni Kamadlopa Mthethwa from the IFP have attended the event. So later in that night the king revealed that his heart has been guided his decision to marry uMyeni even though enezingane. Ishilo inkosi yathi cha imishada noma ngabe kuthiwa uyazi ukuthi ineyingane. Eqhubeka kodwa ke ukuthi uma ngabe kwenzeka ke all lama festivities of the king, we have then realized ukuthi the family was not part of the umshado. So abafowabo be King Mrs. Zulu aba very close kuyena, especially uBambindlovu was not around, was not part of the king, but we've normally seen them ukuthi they always together. Despite the wonderful festivities, the division within the royal family ibibonakala kakhulu and futhi biqamile, especially ngaku Prince uBambindlovu ubhuti wakhe, kanjalo obviously noSimingaye kanye no Princess Bukhosi Bemvelo, and others were not part of the event. Princess ke Bukhosi Bemvelo ke ngoba yazikhulumela utshelile amaphephandaba ukuthi on Friday evening some of her siblings ahambile baya kwamalume wabo eSwatini boycotting the royal wedding after they fell off with their brother over undistributed multi-million rand estate of the late mother uQueen Mantombi Dlamini. Kuthiwa ke ingane abafowabo ba King Mrs. Zulu kuthe ngolosihlanu ebusuku bahamba kusho ngomlomo wadadewabo uBukhosi Bemvelo bazela lapha ya kubo kamalume wabo eSwatini beboycotta lo mcimbi ngenxa yokuthi kunezimali zamantombi ezingaka khishwa emafeni akhe. Ngokusho kwabo ke abantwana ba accuse King Mrs. Zulu for delaying the process of distributing the money because he wants the money for himself. Kodwa ke spokesperson so Prince Thula Sizwe Prince Thulani Zulu uthe cha lokho kusho umntwana udadewabo wa King ubukhosi bezwe kwangamanga nje alihlazo ukuthi abekho emshadweni wabhuti wabo because there's monies that they are actually ababangayo uthe nje cha abekodwa ke kuthiwe ebuza ukuthi kungani ke pho bengekho wahluleka futhi ukuphumela obala. Sizomkhumbula ke uBambindlovu ukuthi is the one nje ohleze efake into ewuphondo, is always next to the king, and he also just got married ethathile lapha eSwatini but he was not available. Even abomama bakhe King Mrs. Zulu, most of them they were not available. So basically umshado attended my politicians nakhona, not a lot of politicians, was just the MEC of KZN, just the MEC the premier and the premier of KZN as well as Thula Sizwe, Reverend. Other than that, and noMadlopa AFP, there was no one. And but simbonile ke uJulius Malema ke nebandla lakhe bona beqamile, no premier was Gauteng. The rest, there was no one who was part of the wedding who was well prominent, so is the family. But then regardless, King Mrs. Zulu said no, uNomzamo ngiyamthatha side isikhathi ngithi kuyenzeka kodwa kungenzeki.